Yeah, this is Dave with Iron Blackbird Cycles today. We're doing a little garage picking. We're gonna look at a Sportster here. Older model Sportster. I looked at it before, but told the fella if he got ready to get rid of it, give me a call. So he gave me a call, and that's what we're doing today. We're gonna do a little garage picking. And this fella's got some old motorcycles. Looks like he got him a Jap cycle there, whatever that is. And, that's a little bit of a newer sporty there. Here's his two other sporties.
Okay, that bike is cheap.
Yeah.
It's worth $1,200, just like it said. In fact, I was offered that one time for
And this is the one we're looking at here. What year is this, Jimmy?
I think it's a 79 or an 81.
Is that one of them off of
Huh?
Is that one of them off of internet bikes?
Now, I bought this for sale at that deed right there.
Oh, really?
No, that's
That's a running son of a gun, boy, that Ninja. I mean, it's got 0 miles. I haven't put a mile on it yet.
That's what it is,
That-
though.
you what?
That's the same bike that what's called bought from off the internet from Japan.
Oh, with Bikes and Beers guy?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah,
It was a bike thing.
that's got to be early '60s, Jimmy.
Early 50. I forgot what he told me it was.
It's got a hole for a distributor.
Got a record phone, so.
That down there's the new set of points.
Yeah.
It was right here.
I'm gonna film this.
I think it's like 70 something, 71, 76.
And I think it's pre-7. It's
Yeah.
early '70s or
Early 70s, yeah.
but it's got a hole for distributors, so I don't know when they started running. Took the distributors out.
It didn't have a generator on it, but you don't need a generator. I mean, you can.
Yeah, I can get the generator and stuff.
Yeah.
I'm just Have you turned this thing over?
Yeah, it's turned over.
Cause I hate to buy it and then it not.
Hi.
I hate to buy it and it be locked up. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it ain't locked up. I know it ain't locked up.
You ain't got a kicker on
No.
laying around, do you? Well, there ain't a kicker spot on this.
That's your shifter.
Yeah. Yeah, it's 73 or earlier because it's bastard chipped. Broken fin on the jug, but I can get another jug.
Huh?
Said it's got a broken fin on the jug, but I can get another cylinder.
Yeah.
Sure. way I can turn it over just to double check.
Huh?
Is there a way to put a battery on it just to see if it'll turn over at all?
No, if you don't want the bike, hell, I don't
No,
care.
I
mean, I can sell it for $1,200. I mean, you ain't gonna run the bike down. I
Yeah.
know it turns over. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I mean, if you don't want it, that's fine with me.
Yeah. No, it ain't that way, Jamie. I just
You know, but I mean, you can't go over the bike for $600.
no.
Hell, the frame's worth $600. The seat on it cost $80. The numbers match
Okay.
right here
Yeah.
and right here.
Yeah. You say it's got points in it?
Yeah. Well, here's the new set point.
Oh, okay. You can give me a bill of sale on it, right?
Yeah, I can write out
Yeah.
anything on it.
Yeah, because I'm going to have that when I go do a surety bond on it, you know what I mean? There's 5 of it. $20, $40, $60, $80, $100.
Well, I tell you, this is a good bike, you know. I really, in a way, hate to get rid of it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I like it too. Man, I can't stand it now.
It's doing pretty good, man.
Roll off.
Yeah, I like it.
Stuff's falling off of it, Jimmy. You can just set that pipe in the back of that truck
Yeah,
if you
yeah.
want. You want your custom-made rattle bar on back? I didn't think so.
This is going somewhere here. You're going forward? Oh, okay.
I think I got a carb support. It's gonna need a carb support.
It's a handy dandy trailer there. Ain't it? That is, man. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're gonna see if we can't piece this baby back together. We might make a digger out of this.
Oh, yeah?
That's the one I went down to Kentucky and got.
Yeah.
Part of Kentucky. What part of Kentucky?
What's the name of Kentucky?
You know what? I can't remember. I sure can't. Oh yeah. I'll remember it when it don't matter. I better get back in there with the baby. You guys have a safe trip.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. So anyway,
That was right like that.
Yeah, it'll be all right. I got another strap on for it.
Jimmy, I appreciate you, buddy.
All right. I think you're getting a good deal out of it.
Yeah.
You know, I think it's about $1,200.
Like I said, the only thing I'm worried about is if
Where are you hooking this one?
Right up here by the.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Yeah, well-
Yeah.
only thing I'd be worried about is if she's just a little locked up from setting, you know. But
No, I tell you, I really don't think it is.
I don't think it
When I
is
picked-
either.
When I
But
picked this up in Kentucky, it had the kick on it,
yeah,
and we kicked it over, you know, before. That's been probably 6 or 8 months ago, something like that.
yeah. Well, I probably won't know anything about it this week because I probably won't get to working on it this week. I got too
Well,
much
I'll
other
tell
work
you.
to do. But
Let
But
me
I'll,
know, and like I said, you know, you've seen all the pipes I got out there.
yeah, yeah,
You know, if you want to trade the pipes out or oil tank, that's kind of neat for the battery and the oil tank.
Yeah.
I tell you, it had a chrome knob on there. And a guy come in. He said, "What do you take for that knob?" And I said, "I don't know. What you give me for it?" He said, $35. So I sold it to him.
yeah. I almost need a tank like that for my shovelhead project, but
You guys are gonna look good going through town, I'll guarantee you.
so anyway, I appreciate you, man. And
I tell you what.
when you called me and said $600, I said I can't really pass that up, no matter what shape it's in.
I tell you,
I ain't had an old Ironhead in
I can't hardly get
Since the
around
80s.
in that garage, you know.
yeah,
And this has took my ramp up
yeah,
for about 6 months or 7, something like that.
yeah. I hear you. Okay, well we're gonna get out of here. I appreciate you, Jimmy, and
Hey, I tell you what, I think when people look at this bike, they're gonna like that back fender.
yeah, I want a skinnier look. I just want to get rid of that
Yeah.
fender. I want it to look somewhat original, but still dressed out, and
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to see if I can't find some shorter tubes for that front end, because I want to slam it all the way to the ground.
You do?
Yeah.
I thought you'd want to raise it.
No, I think I'm gonna make a digger out of it,
Yeah. Yeah.
and I don't know. I may wind up. It's hard to tell, those old castings.
yeah.
I might wind up raking it and putting a big old long springer on it and make a digger out of it.
Yeah. You can check them numbers. I've been to the driver's license place.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah,
And the bike's not sold or nothing.
right.
But she told me the best thing I could do is get a bonded title.
Yeah, they call it a surety bond.
Yeah.
And
Do you want his name on the front of the helmet or the back? The back, okay.
the thing about a surety bond is they want you to put up a percentage of the value,
Yeah.
and it winds up costing you about $500 sometimes.
I tell you what, a guy could get another title, you know.
Yeah, I'm not worried about that. So, but no, we're good, Jimmy.
I think you're getting a hell of a deal on the bike.
You get ready to get rid of one of them other two in there, you let me know.
Okay, well, that,
You know, you can go in there and get your wheel out and put me in it for one of those. But I might die before you.
that old orange and black one in there, I've had that bike for years. I tell you, I took that bike down. Chad wanted me to bring it down there to Marion,
Yeah.
and I brought it down there. He said, "Don't take it off the trailer. I've got a place for you." It was right next to the bandstand. A judge has come around. That judge said, and that old orange and black said, "Will this old bike run?" I said, "I'll tell you what. I'll bet you anything you want to bet it'll start faster than anything you got on this lot." He said, "All bullshit." I turned it on. You couldn't even hear it turn over and it fired. I mean, as soon as I hit that key, it was running, you know. He said, "Damn, that bike does start pretty good, don't it, for an old bike?"
Yeah. So anyway, this is Dave from Iron Blackbird Cycles, and we got another project, looks like. I don't know how long it's going to take us to get to this one, but at least we got another project set.